Torremolinos, Spain shines along the Costa del Sol with sunny beaches, vibrant streets, and attractions that blend history, nature, and pure Mediterranean charm. In this video, the journey explores the 7 best things to do in Torremolinos, Spain, taking you through scenic promenades, thrilling wildlife encounters, peaceful gardens, and unforgettable day trips. From strolling the Playa del Lido Promenade, where ocean breezes, palm-lined walkways, and beachside cafes create a picture-perfect coastal escape, to stepping into the wild world of Crocodile Park, each stop reveals a new side of this energetic seaside town. Torremolinos offers far more than sunshine. It's a destination filled with character, culture, and hidden gems waiting around every corner. Charming walking tours, lush botanical gardens, tranquil parks, dramatic cliffside villages, and lively shopping districts all come together to show why Torremolinos remains one of Andalusia's most loved destinations. Let's dive into the highlights that make this coastal town truly unforgettable. Let's get started. Number 7. Walking the Playa del Lido Promenade. Strolling down the Playa del Lido Promenade in Torremolinos gives you a taste of Mediterranean charm mixed with relaxed beach living. This coastal path runs along one of the Costa del Sol's most beautiful beaches, encouraging you to take it easy, inhale the ocean breeze, and enjoy the sound of nearby waves. Palm trees, snug beachside cafes, and traditional chiringuitos offering fresh seafood and cool drinks border the walkway. Your journey reveals views of golden sands, blue-green waters, and sunbathers soaking up the warm Andalusian sun. Residents take walks, run, bike, and rest on seats facing the ocean, creating a calm and welcoming environment. The promenade stays lively yet charming with its small stores, beach clubs, and Instagram-worthy locations. The Playa del Lido Promenade captures Torremolinos' beach lifestyle, perfect for a peaceful walk, a scenic jog, or a morning by the sea. Number 6. Exploring Crocodile Park. Torremolinos' most thrilling attraction. Exploring Crocodile Park in Torremolinos means stepping into a world where prehistoric giants rule the landscape. The moment you enter, the atmosphere shifts. Lush greenery, flowing water, and distant roars create the feeling of walking through a living reptile sanctuary. This unique park is home to hundreds of crocodiles, including some of the largest in Europe, each with an incredible story and presence. The journey begins along wooden walkways where powerful crocs rest beneath the sun, barely moving except for a slow blink. Informative signs and guided presentations reveal fascinating facts about their behavior, biology, and history. One of the highlights is witnessing feeding time, a moment that showcases the raw strength and precision of these ancient creatures. The park also hosts baby crocodiles, allowing visitors to see these remarkable animals at every stage of life. From close-up encounters to peaceful observation areas, Crocodile Park delivers a blend of excitement and education. It's a thrilling experience that leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. Number 5. Torremolinos Waking Tour. Sunlight spills over the Costa del Sol as the path leads into Torremolinos, a town where Mediterranean charm meets a relaxed seaside vibe. Begin along Calle San Miguel, the lively pedestrian street filled with boutiques, cafes, and the aroma of freshly baked pastries drifting from local bakeries. Colorful storefronts and inviting terraces make this the perfect place to soak in the town's energy. A few steps away, the scene shifts to the historic Torre de Pimentel, the old watchtower that gave Torremolinos its name. Its stone walls whisper stories of centuries past, creating a striking contrast with the modern coastal atmosphere around it. Walk downhill toward the shimmering shoreline and arrive at Playa del Bajondillo, where soft sands, calm waves, and rows of beachside chiringuitos set the mood for a slow, scenic stroll. The sound of the sea blends with the distant laughter of visitors enjoying the sun. As the path continues toward La Carahuela, seafood restaurants and narrow streets offer a taste of authentic Andalusian life. Number 4. Jardín Botánico Molino de Inca. The path leads into Jardín Botánico Molino de Inca, a serene oasis where natural beauty and historic heritage come together. Palm trees rise gracefully above winding walkways, their shadows dancing across ponds filled with koi fish and gentle ripples of water. The sound of birdsong echoes through the garden, creating a soothing, peaceful atmosphere from the very first steps. At the heart of the garden stands the restored Molino de Inca mill, showcasing traditional machinery that once powered daily life in the region. Its wooden wheels and stone structures offer a glimpse into centuries-old craftsmanship, blending history seamlessly with lush surroundings. Continuing through the botanical collection, elegant fountains, manicured hedges, and more than 1,000 plant species fill each corner with color and texture. Japanese-inspired gardens add a quiet, meditative touch, perfect for capturing tranquil moments. As the walk concludes, panoramic viewpoints reveal the entire landscape: ponds, pathways, and vibrant greenery arranged like a living masterpiece. Jardín Botánico. Molino de Inca stands as one of Torremolinos' most enchanting natural escapes. Number 3. El Parque de la Libertad. The walk begins at El Parque de la Libertad, a peaceful green space that blends nature, local culture, and everyday life. Tall trees line the pathways, offering cool shade as birds weave between the branches. The sound of flowing water from nearby fountains creates a calm backdrop, making this park a favorite spot for slow morning strolls. As the tour continues, open plazas appear between the gardens, where families gather, children play, and locals enjoy quiet conversations on sunlit benches. Sculptures and memorials stand throughout the park, honoring moments and figures that shaped the community's history. Further along, colorful flower beds brighten the walk with seasonal blooms, while winding trails lead to quieter corners ideal for reflection or photography. The soft rustling of leaves mixes with laughter from the playgrounds, adding warmth to the surroundings. Near the park's edge, small cafes and vendors offer treats perfect for a short break before continuing the city exploration. El Parque de la Libertad captures the heart of the area, a blend of serenity, heritage, and simple daily joy. Number 2. Setenil de las Bodegas. The journey into Setenil de las Bodegas begins with one of Spain's most remarkable scenes: whitewashed homes tucked directly beneath towering rock ledges. Sunlight glides across the cliffs, casting dramatic shadows over the winding streets that weave through this one-of-a-kind village. On Calle del Sol, cafes and small boutiques rest under gigantic stone overhangs that serve as natural ceilings. The soft clatter of coffee cups blends with the gentle flow of the nearby river, giving the area a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Just across the bridge, Calle Cuevas de la Sombra provides a cooler, fully shaded path entirely sheltered by rock, a mesmerizing sight that feels almost otherworldly. The walk continues upward toward the old fortress tower, where weathered walls open to sweeping views of the town nestled between cliffs. Olive groves, rolling hills, and winding trails stretch across the Cádiz landscape. Every part of Setenil de las Bodegas fuses natural beauty, unique architecture, and deep-rooted tradition, offering an unforgettable experience unlike any other village in Andalusia. Number 1. Shop in Torremolinos. Shopping in Torremolinos blends coastal charm with lively local culture, creating a fun and colorful experience from the moment the walk begins. The journey starts along Calle San Miguel, the town's busiest pedestrian street. Boutiques line both sides, offering everything from handmade jewelry and Andalusian ceramics to stylish summer wear, perfect for the Costa del Sol breeze. The scent of freshly roasted coffee drifts from small cafes, inviting a quick pause between stores. As the stroll continues, smaller side streets reveal local artisan shops filled with unique souvenirs, leather goods, and traditional Spanish fans painted by hand. Market stalls add even more variety, offering fresh produce, spices, and small treasures that showcase the region's character. A short walk away, Plaza Costa del Sol features modern stores, open-air seating areas, and elegant fountains that create a refreshing atmosphere for window shopping. Whether searching for beach essentials, gifts, or authentic crafts, Torremolinos delivers a vibrant mix of style and tradition, turning every stop into a memorable discovery.